Batuni ya munini wa President Dagitari William Ruto yethete kiharo mwena wa Kajiado ya irathiro gucokeria President Uhuru Kenyatta miario ria ararutire muthenya wa ira akiuga ati ndangenda kugatigira mikora wathani arikite na riake ria wathani. President akeriria muingi mwena wa Ruiru araugire ati njira ya kugitira ukuria wa miaka 10 wa President Moi Kibaki na ya wathani wake ni guthura atongoria mena mitugo mirungaru.
Hatuwezi chagua mwizi kwa sababu mwizi ako kamiti amefungwa. Na kama rais ako na habari kuna mtu mwizi anataka kusimama, afanye mpango, ashikwe, apelekwe kotini, afungwe, hata kuwa kwa kinyang'anyiro.
We voted for you when the international community and their local conspirators, including your elder brother, were taking you to ICC. Sisi wa Kenya, because we are the ones who have the votes, we elected you.
Atongoria ya maroiga ati President agirire guthathaura miario yake na ataririe ni andu ariku acio areta aici angikorwo gutire na mubango wa kugiria William Ruto gukahuranira giturwa gia President kana kumunengereria muthigi wa utongoria ahotana.
Mr. President, you have the instruments of power. The National Intelligence Service falls under you. You have the EACC. You have the DCI, you have the Auditor General. Use those and tell the country. Don't be general, be specific.
Rais wetu yuko na mwaka mmoja na lazima aweze kutuambia ule anaiba ni nani na wale wanatakana wakose kusimama ni wakana nani kuliko kuongea in parables.
Nothing can happen between him and State House. Hii miezi imebaki yetu kukuombea wewe Mungu akuweke ndani ya State House.
Munini wa President augite ati nioi wega bururi uhagukaga wona andu marega gwitikira muimirira ma githurano neranire ati ndagakorwo na thina gwitikira muimirira ma githurano turekeire kiraniro kiria arenda aria marang'ethanira nake marutire bururi.
When Kenyans decide in 2022 and they decide that it is one of my competitors and not myself, I will accept the verdict of the people of Kenya. I want every other competitor to commit themselves that if they don't win, they will not do what we have seen them do in the past.
Sasa kazi ya rais ni kidogo sana. Ni akae na huyu ndugu yake, wakunywe uji, akule samaki, amuulize wewe ukishindwa utakubali ama utatoa fujo.
Akihugura matura-ini matiganite ma kaunti cia Kajiado na Makueni, Ruto anyitirire ati mubango wake wa gukuria bururi no guo wihandite ukiringithania na iria ingi ang'ethaniria ke maraigirira metha-ini.
I want to tell the people of Kenya that we will have a peaceful nation. There will be no violence. There will be no acrimony. Hakutakuwa na msukosuko, hakutakuwa na fujo. Kama wa Kenya tulikubaliana ya kwamba hakuna tena wakati tutagawanywa na kupiganishwa na siasa.
Gerifutera Inoro TV. Jetagwo Waweru Wanyabura.